Introducing our BAVIN i4 Type-C hub. A multifunction 8-in-1 hub can work simultaneously for your convenience. Unstable connection? Experience blazing fast gigabit Ethernet speeds up to 1000 Mbps for seamless browsing, streaming, and downloading. It supports 87 watts USB-C power delivery, fast charge for laptops, supports data transfer from your phone while charging. It has an HDMI port that provides audio and video sync, can support 4K resolution, Ultra HD, and 3D effects. Stay connected with Bluetooth devices for your wireless needs. Wide compatibility, simultaneously working for USB, SD, and TF cards. Transfer fast in seconds. It can also be used with your mobile devices. Ultra thin and easy to put into your bag. It comes with a free pouch. Get your BAVIN i4 Type-C hub now.